Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video we will learn about the another aggregation pipeline, that is unwind. Up to now we have learned three pipelines, that is nothing but $match, $group and also $project. Now we are trying to learn about a new one, aggregation pipeline, that is nothing but unwind. So what is this unwind will do? Unwind or unwind, whatever it may be, the naming, the pronunciation. So unwind or unwind deconstructs any array field from the input documents to output a document for each element. So that means each output document is the input document with the value of the array field replaced by the element. I will try to show you in the real-time scenario, then only you will try to understand. For example, let's say that I am having an inventory dot find. Let's try to see whether we are having inventory or not. So we are having one inventory, right? Let's try to drop it, or otherwise we'll try to insert one by one. I am dropping. Let's try to clear it off. So I am having an inventory dot insert one. I am inserting one. Now here I will be having a name of shirts. Okay, shirts I am having, and in these shirts we are having a sizes. So sizes will be an array of S small and M, and another one is an L. Okay, so these are the sizes. Now let's try to press enter. Now here we are having db.inventory.aggregate. So if you try to see here we are having a document which is having name and sizes array as an array. Now I want to deconstruct this array of elements. So that means we are having an array of elements of size medium large, and I want to remove all those sizes from the array elements. So unwind operator will does the same thing only. Whenever you use an unwind operator for an array field, it will remove it will take each element and construct the same document with each element present in the array. Now if you try to see db.inventory.aggregate, if I try to show you, so this is an array, so we need to pass streams of pipelines, and here I will be having $unwind. So for unwind, what is the thing I want to apply? For the $sizes. Okay, so this is the thing which is having a array. Now if I try to press enter, now see how many elements are there. So those all are splitted into separate element, okay, deconstructed, and the document is duplicated here. So the document, so we are having one document with size L, the same document with size M and L. So like this we can deconstruct this document into the three documents. So like this we can use it. Now this is the usage of this unwind operator. So unwind operator is very useful for us. I will try to show you with which scenarios we will be using this one. For example, let's say that in our db.inventory I am adding another one .insert one, and here I will be having another one as name. I can add something like what I can say, shorts. Let's say shorts, and here I can have sizes. So I don't have any sizes, so I will keep empty array I have inserted. Now let's try to use the same thing, unwind of sizes. Now if you try to see, now we are having a document which is shorts, but we are not able to get the sizes because the sizes array is empty. By default, if you have any items, any elements in the array, then only that unwind operator will try to deconstruct that document. But here for the shorts we don't have any array elements, because of that reason it is not showing the thing. Now for example, let's say that we are having another one. Let's insert another one like scarf, and for this one we are having sizes null. So now let's try to see the same thing. Now then also we are not able to see the scarf. So if I try to remove these aggregate sizes and all those things, if I want to check all those things, now if I try to see, here we are having actually sizes small and large we are having for the shorts we are not having empty array, and the sizes we are having null. So but when we are trying to do the unwind of this one, so we are able to get only the deconstructed document of these sets only, not for the shorts and the scarf. So if there is an empty or a size null also, at least one document we have to project it. So how can we do it? One is, for this one we have an extra parameter for this unwind, that is nothing but preserve null and empty arrays. For example, let's say that if you have to show db.inventory.aggregate, okay, so here we will be having an array and remove this array, and in this one I will be using $unwind, and in this one what I will try to do is aggregate unwind, and in this one what I can say, we need to provide path of sizes. So if you have only one item, so you can do, there is no need to mention the path, but we are trying to do, and we are trying to add another option, right? Preserve null and empty arrays. So this is the thing, we need to provide it as a true. Now as soon as you provide it as a true, now if you try to press enter, now we are able to get the shorts and scarf also. So for this one sizes is null, because of the reason sizes it is trying to distribute, show it, but here the sizes we are getting as an empty, we don't have any sizes, that is the reason we are getting like this. So now we can show the empty and also the null sizes of the items. This is one. So now if you want to get the array index also, here I want to show, for example, S is an array index of 0, M is array index of 1, and here array index of 2, right? So here if you want to show the array index also, we can use the thing something like db.inventory.aggregate. I can use the same thing. Here I can write $unwind of, here I can use path $sizes, okay, and here preserve null and empty arrays to true, and here what I need to do, include array index, and this takes a string. So what is the name of that key value you want? So let's try to keep it as a key, okay. Now if I try to press enter, here I need to add, if you press enter, here we are able to get a key of 0, 1, 2, and for this one doesn't have a key, null and null we are able to get it. So here we can get the array index value of also for these sizes. Now we can use the combination of aggregation pipeline. Now I can use something like, so the same unwind I can use, here this is our thing, right, and here I can use another aggregation pipeline $project, and in this one I don't want ID to be displayed, ID 0 I can use it. Now if I try to press enter, now here without ID I am able to get name sheds, sizes yes, and a key of number of 0. So it is an 0th index it is there. So this is how we can deconstruct the array elements. Now for example, let's say that now we have used the project operator, and also now you can use the group operator also. Group operator means what I want to do is, for example, let's say that let's try to add some of the elements, okay. So then only we can group some of the items. What I want to do is I want to add some of the items like db.inventory.insert 1, and here I can add hat name hat, I can add a hat, and for this one I can add sizes. So only a medium is present, so I will try to add only one. Let's try to add another one also, so that we can have hat and gloves. So gloves, so we are having the gloves also. Let's try to add S. That's it. So let's say I try to have this much only. Now what I want to do is, we have a previous one, right? If you try to see here, we are able to get hat and gloves also. Now I want to group by sizes. For example, let's say that the sizes says how many are there, so forget about the name. So 1 and 2 are there, and M1 and 2 are there, and null also, null how many are there, so only 1 is there, and L only 1 is there. So now let's try to see how many group by sizes, let's try to check it. So project we can do it, and comma, here I can add $group, and what is that I want to do, first one is underscore ID, by which one I want to make, by sizes. If you want to show, I want to get the total of $sum $1, okay, that's only right, $sum of, I want to get it. Let's try to press enter. See here, total medium present is total 2 are present, it seems. Medium 2 are present, yeah, for hat and also for shirt. Null we are having 2 items, yes, okay. Null we are shorts and scarf both are null. And for small we are having 2 items, and large is also having 1 item. So this is how we can group the items also. So this is how we can group the items. So this is all about the unwind operator. Hope you understood about this unwind operator. Now here we have used the different combination of the different combination of the aggregation pipelines, unwind, project, and also the group aggregation pipelines we have used. So whatever the output it is getting from the unwind, it will be passed as an input to the $project, and whatever the output we are getting, it will be passed as an input to the $group. So this is how we will be using this one. So this is all about the unwind aggregation pipeline. Hope you understood about this. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.